I'm sure you've heard this ringtone before. So this is like the default Apple ringtone that they've had for the longest time. It honestly gives me trauma listening to this. This has been my alarm noise for the longest time. They've made a bunch of new variants, and check these things out. Here we go. This one's called Buoyant. This one's called Dreamer. Kind of a bop. All right, this one's called Pond. All right, not bad. This one's called Pop. All right, this one's called Reflected. This one's called Surge. But let's be real, this is the best one.